Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge token. Now, Shibadoge rise have continued. The market cap is really pumping in. You can see big whales are coming in. A lot of people are buying Shibadoge right now. Shibadoge have actually gained about $24 million market cap in 10 days. This is amazing to see. By this time of the year, January, remember, most January people don't really buy a lot because a lot of people actually spend money during festive period. But you can see Shibadoge market cap is now trading at $32.4 million. Wow, it's amazing to see Shibadoge actually gain about $24 million. As before this year, Shibadoge market cap was actually trading between $7.8 million and $8 million. I believe this is a sign that this year we are going to see crypto coins will be rising. So many coins will be pumping. Even take a look at Bitcoin. For over almost 3 to 5 months, Bitcoin has been able to cross the $17,000 mark. Bitcoin has been trading between $15,000 and $16,000, and right now today BTC have actually hit over $20,000. I'm happy to see BTC finally cross 20,000. And you can see many coins today have also started increasing. Almost all the coins are on green. Well, the truth is BTC is the controller, and that's why we are hoping to see Bitcoin massively gain a lot of rise this year, because we know so many other coins is also be increasing. Now, Shibadoge have really gained a lot. I mean, imagine $24 million within the period of 10 days. It's amazing to see Shibadoge breaking this record. The last time Shibadoge hit so high was hitting $16 million, and that was when Ethereum Wells actually bought Shibadoge worth of over $7 million. Okay, and I believe that was when Shibadoge market cap hit about 60 million. Right now, Shibadoge market cap, according to coinmarketcap.com, is now trading at over 32 million. I'm happy, and let's hope this can hit $50 million soon, or $100 million soon. Shibadoge, we all believe, so many people said, is the next Shiba Inu. I hope so, and let's keep hoping that this year will become one of the best years for crypto industry. Plus, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision.